Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the map style in the BFF application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button, and within this section look for the map style button and click on that. And as you can see, there are 4 options that you can choose from, so just click on the one that you want to use, and if you go back you will see that the map has changed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.